If a man is falling in love with you, you can tell easily by watching his body language, his actions towards you, and how he acts when he is around you. With that being said, not every man is the same as the next, although most men in love will show these 3 hidden signs. In this video you will find 3 hidden signs a man is falling in love with you. Let's begin. Number 1. Looks you deeply in the eyes. Yes, research shows that a man attracted to a woman will look her deep in the eyes when talking to her or being intimate with her. With that being said, a man in love with a woman will enjoy looking at her features. To him, she is the most beautiful person on the planet, and he just can't get enough of her features. A man that is only attracted to a woman will only look her deep in the eyes during intimacy, but not all the time. This is how you will know that he is in love with you and not just attracted to you. To him, you are his most prized possession, his work of art, and he can't wait to show you off to the whole wide world. Number 2. Protective of you. One of the best ways to find out if a man is falling in love with you is by evaluating if he is protective of you. You see, if he loves you, he will be jealous of other men hitting on you or talking to you. He will also feel the need to protect you from any harm. He will make sure you are warm on a rainy day. He will find ways to ease your pain when you are hurting, and he will even feel the need to shield you when there is bodily harm or danger. He will make sure you are warm on a rainy day. He will find ways to ease your pain when you are hurting, and he will even feel the need to shield you when there is bodily harm or danger. Men have natural instincts to protect their female partners when they love them. Number 3. Can't get enough of you. If a man is falling in love with you, he will always want to be around you. You will be his top priority, and nothing else will matter to him as much as you will. He will enjoy spending time with you and at times will surprise you with special visits. He won't be able to get enough of you. Once you notice him texting frequently, asking you about your day, and showing interest in your activities, you should know that you are becoming his world. A guy showing these signs is a guy in love.